चलो चलो सगरे कहें विरला पहुंचे कोई और एक कनक और कामिनी दुर्गम घाटी दोए. These are the famous words and sentences told by Nath Sampradaya yogis. Whole world is behind meditation. Everybody is learning meditation. Everybody is teaching meditation. But this is the program which teaches you from the basics to the advanced how to enter, how to experience the deeper levels of meditation. Whether you are a student, you are a professional, you are a doctor, you are an engineer, whoever you are, this is for you. You will learn the basics of meditation. At the same time, you will learn the advanced forms of meditation. Normally, you must have heard that whenever we talk about meditation, just be aware of the physical sensations. But in this program, you will be aware of your emotional sensations. All the deep-rooted, some suppressed pent-up emotions can be released very easily. So let us meet and learn this session and understand this session and experience this session.